Tuisonga na mbele tuisiokethia kauntini ya Masaku vala mumbunge wa kiliombunge cha Mwala Engineer Vincent Musyoka musau niwaumya ukан'yo muvyu kwi enenthi ala methiitwe na mituo ya kwananga Milati ya Kiw'U ila wikiiye enenthi isioni kivathukan'yo ukamba wa Mwala aiweta kana makwatikana nimekwosewa matambya maima miao. Musyoka anena ndeto isu kavindani kala wekia ivia ya kwambililia mwako mwe wa ofisi wa skulu wa sekondari wa Kiw'U ulawi Mwala kauntini ya Masaku. Livoti yake Dan Mwongela.
Mumbunge wa kiliombunge cha Mwala Engineer Vincent Musyoka ndanena niwaumya ukан'yo muvyu kwa enenthi ala methiitwe na mutuo wa kwananga Milati ya Kiw'U na ilisekana kwananga kwa Milati isu ni kuendeea na kutulia maendeleo na kutia enenthi aingi methinani wa kuvana kwa ukosa Kiw'U.
So nitwithiitwe na some cases in certain areas which are notorious kuweka maundu ma vandalism. Withia ni weka muradi wa Kiw'U na withia mundu very lazy etelete wiyo oko kuatakwa akathosi kwa makata akakuwa engaged verb. We have a case that happened 2 days ago na ko nini ngalikosia kathama vandu vekwitwa ngitene Kiw'U ni wisundu Kiw'U kithini tiando na manengie Kiw'U less than 5 days ago na ja Kiw'U chumite sana pressure undu ya ilite yani nita oasis of hope with water. So we have ilatu okwata omwe wamo will be an example to the rest nundu no tukwatie nesa omwe akethwa ni example kwa langi. They better be warned. We also call upon the community, especially community policing with ni malidia muno katika patrols yao na ku link na maundu ma security ma kwegage enenthi with ni masobya muno isi wisunundu kwa kwe kundu kumwe Kiw'U cha one day iketa kwithia ni muico munene muno kwa andu nundu isi wila nikite majority of them it's a lifeline ya majority of the people with their point yemwe they serve and thousands of people in a day na yumundu kama nangia you can imagine those people going without water for just one day. It becomes a very big problem.
Anena ivinani na wayela ivia ya kwambililia mwako wa maofisi ma skulu wa St. Mary's Kiw'U ulawi Mwala kauntini ya Masaku.
Skulu itwa Kiw'U is a baby we want to nurture. Skulu ni umwe katika skulu ila young kabisa na tuenda kuisupport na infrastructure. Ni vao mwonde nundu skulu no need several infrastructures na chambe muhimu ni kulay foundation stone tuanzi administration block ya skulu na pia maundu maingi like electrification ya skulu which katika mipangilio ya kwani maybe by the next 2 weeks with the skulu ni wakana stima alongside other programs ya school wali school also and in a kitchen. This is also another program going to undertake with the with the school niwana. Yeah.
Daniel Mwongela, Mutungo TV, kuma kauntini ya Masaku.